souls. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I set up my dream journal, starting with a title page. This is going to range from full out effort to effortless. So if you're going on the effort side, then starting with just a normal title page, and then right after that going into an index. Again, this is definitely on the higher scale of effort. You don't have to have an index, but it's helpful to go back and see what different dreams or symbolisms were and at what date you had them. And then I did a 7-page index, leaving it blank so that I can add to it as I go. And right after that, I began the dream dictionary. Again, this is definitely on the higher scale of effort. You don't have to do this, but by adding a dream dictionary and sectioning off a certain amount of pages to fill in different things or symbolisms from your dreams and what they meant to you, and also sourcing different symbolisms about them on the internet and then adding it to your dream dictionary, you're able to fill it in as you go and then have more and more symbolisms in the dream dictionary for your dream journaling as you start to track your dreams more consistently. Now, I started by, again, higher effort, adding some things right off of a dream dictionary online, but I feel like the best way to do this is to just go ahead and start tracking your dreams, and then as symbolisms pop up in your dreams, then add them to the dream dictionary. I sectioned off about 35 to 40 pieces of paper just solely for the dream dictionary to add to, and then on page 52, I began with the first dream log. The way I like to do this is, again, just track the dream and then whatever symbolism is there, add it to the dream dictionary, look up what it could mean or add what I feel like it could mean. And then for logging the dream, just adding the date of the dream, what the dream was, the meaning behind the dream. And you could stop there, but again, if you wanted to go more higher effort, you could add things like your quality of sleep from 1 to 10, where you slept and how long you slept. And then of course, just adding that into the index. So that's really as simple as it gets. You can go obviously more all out with your efforts and add some more decor or design to your dream journal, as well as just adding different symbolisms that you may have already had or have known of or have had frequent dreams of already in your life. Tracking your dreams is a really easy way to keep tabs or get messages from the subconscious as to what you might be picking up on, processing, or dealing with on a very unconscious level. Our dreams can hold a lot of meanings if you actually start to pay attention, and dream journaling is a really easy way to do that. Obviously, you can do this from the lowest amount of effort to going all out like I did, adding things like tabs to the index, the dream dictionary, and where you begin journaling or jotting down your dreams. Or you could just take a good old standard notebook and begin logging down things and just take note. What do the things mean and what did the dream make you feel? You can go from just using pen and paper to having all of the tabs and indexes and all of that if you wish. So doing it this way, I have a decent amount of, journal to add a bunch of different symbolisms to. I can fill all of these pages. You could go ahead and do this now before you even jump into dream journaling. Go online, get a book, whatever you want to do. There's lots of resources online for symbolism and dreams, and then just go ahead and do it all alphabetically. The problem with that is, for me at least, is that once you begin to fill out your dream journals, you might notice that you have other things pop up in dreams, other symbolism in dreams that you either can't fit in the alphabetical order of symbolisms, or you just want to add them right away. So I feel like the best and the easiest way, honestly, to do the dream dictionary is to not do it alphabetically and to just add to it as you go and as you have dreams and as you seek out symbolism. So I do think it is really cool to go online and to be able to access resources or other people that have connected different symbolisms to different things in dreams, but nobody's subconscious is like your subconscious. So when your subconscious is working through a dream, certain things might symbolize different things to you based on your experience here on Earth. Underneath, I'm able to add a point, add more definition to the dictionary as I go. So if you have multiple dreams about the same thing, you can write down the different ways or symbolisms that came through to you in those dreams. Just keep this by your bed. Even if you're not at home and you have a dream, you can easily put it in your phone until you get home, get to your dream journal and then record it into your dream journal. When I dream, I like to instantly notice how the dream made me feel, instantly notice if there are any big, bold things that stood out to me in the dream, see if I can pull any symbolism from those things, and then after all is said and done, then I will go into outside resources to see what other symbolisms are out there or have trended before or are common to help fill in the gaps. We're all different and all of our brains work differently. All of our dreams probably work differently. So go about it in whatever way you feel makes sense to you.